What does 2023 hold for us when it comes to the real estate market? What's going to happen? So everyone's been preaching recession is coming, interest rates are high, demand is low. You know what? Most of that is true. The question is, how is that going to reflect on our local real estate prices? Are they going to drop? Are they going to go up? Are they going to stay flat? Here's my prediction for whatever that's worth. The one thing that seems constant right now is a drop in both supply and demand. And when they're moving equally, we just don't have a massive change in price. The demand has dropped off. There's no question. Activity is down. What we saw in activity in November and December of 22 was very low in comparison to November and December of 2021. So it appears that prices could drop. It appears that activity is just way off the charts slow. But we don't have any inventory. There's nothing for sale. Owners that have homes right now that have locked in low interest rates, they don't want to put their home up for sale. We don't have that rush of inventory. We don't have an increased supply, which is going to just push down real estate prices. If that starts to happen and the demand stays low, then yes, we can see a price decline. Is there some predictions of slight declines in 2023? Yes. I foresee that in the fourth quarter of 2023, we're very likely going to see that demand continue to rise as interest rates continue to drop towards the end of the year. We may be right back with some of that multiple offer frenzy that we were seeing before.